on the track.
Hi guys, welcome to sunny Surrey again. It's a quick video vlog on Charlie Johnson's YouTube channel. Coming up with what's going on at the moment with me. I am currently pushing my food up even more, so it's about 4,000 calories a day post-show, zero cardio, body weight staying pretty much the same. Due to this, I'm having a few digestive issues. I'm playing around with my diet at the moment, trying a lot of different things, one of which is eating pretty much whole foods for all my meals. I've actually gone up to now 7 meals a day to get more food in, partly because I'm staying up longer, I'm getting up early to do a lot of client work. To try and facilitate taking down this food, I'm struggling a little bit digestively and getting quite bloated. So one of the things I am trying to implement now is digestive enzymes. So these ones are by Solgar. So that will help break down the food in my stomach. So I picked up these bad boys today. Also, this is a colon cleanser called Colax. The colon basically removes fluid from the food and bits and pieces as it goes through the tail end of your stomach before it obviously passes through. So again, this will help with digestion. And I've also ordered a ton of probiotics and prebiotics. Pretty much got the strongest ones I could, 100 billion live enzymes with a capsule or whatever it is. So again, this will massively help in terms of digestion. The theory behind why I'm doing this, A, so I don't feel so bloated and the food passes through me, but actually so my body absorbs all of the extra nutrients, all of the food I'm going through, try and bring in all this goodness that's coming in from the whole foods I'm eating, less whey protein, so that should help to help me build the muscle gains I'm trying to build. So that is the plan, that's the theory, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Something different I've never tried before. I have implemented apple cider vinegar for quite a while now, which is a very good digestive and health tool generally, so I'll keep you guys posted, let you know how it goes. Sunny day here in Costell, Surrey, so I'll have more educational information coming up on this and I'll keep you posted, let you know how it goes. Any questions on this topic, please comment below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, more dope content coming soon. Peace.
We got Sab on the track.